actually. Normally, after our first left ward off, turn, we go right ward off, roll back, press, sit back, and push. So this time we're going to repeat on the relaxation so that the arms drop naturally. They don't drop totally, so you don't just drop like this. So we still have some energy. We direct our arms out, we swing them out. So there is our energy involved, our inputs there. It's not just free flowing, but we try to relax more and more and feel the momentum, especially of the feet moving forward and backwards, and allowing the shoulder joints to swing so that you can feel the relaxation and the momentum. So we want to get away the thinking, focus from our arms to more our legs and the waist and turning. And we end up this way, palm facing. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's do together. Forward and press. Backwards. Sink to the ground and push. Just repeat it. Just repeat it. So drop the right hand down here. Sit back to the left leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. One more time, repeat. Drop the right hand. 1, 2. Turn and drop. Forward and catching a fly. Sit back and push. One more time for me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Last time, dropping. 1, 2. Press. Sit back. Push. Okay.